Stop chasing expensive supplements and fancy biohacks if you haven't mastered these 5 areas that science proves can 10x your longevity. Let me tell you something most people don't even realize. Stress is literally killing your body in ways you can't even see. When you're constantly stressed, your body stays in fight or flight mode, making it physically impossible to heal or recover properly. Studies show your physical healing slows down and your immune system is less effective in fighting sickness and disease when your body is stressed. And individuals who report job stress have higher risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes because stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline increase your heart rate, your blood pressure, and your blood sugar. Here's what you can do right now. Start your day with deep breathing. An easy way to do this is called box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds. Repeat times 10. Pair this habit along with something you do daily, like right before you brush your teeth in the morning. Author of Atomic Habits calls this habit stacking. Add a new activity to an old activity, and that helps solidify that new habit. Number 2, sleep. Let's talk about it. Here's 2 surprising things that happen in your body while you sleep. Your hormones are being replenished while you sleep. So if you're not getting the recommended 7 to 9 hours nightly, then you're missing out on an important hormone production opportunity. And this is so important for my peri/menopausal women who are already dealing with declining hormone levels. Also, when you're sleeping, your brain gets rid of toxic products. Deep sleep is like housekeeping for your brain. At night, the extra CSF fluid flow actually helps to flush waste, like extra neurotransmitters, inflammatory molecules. So protect your deep sleep by creating a dark, cool environment and work to go to sleep at a consistent time, even on the weekends. Get adequate sleep so you can help your brain take out the trash. The importance of hydration is too often overlooked, and even mild dehydration can hurt your focus, your short-term memory, and your mood. Sometimes when you're feeling off, the solution is just as simple as getting in your water. Water also moves nutrients to your cells, helps your body get rid of waste, and even a 2% drop in hydration can lower your physical endurance, making it harder for your body to cool down during workouts. And your gut regularity is also linked to adequate hydration. So here's how much water you should get in daily. About half your body weight in ounces of water, up to about 100 ounces max. Also understand that water intoxication is a real issue. There is such a thing as too much water. And if you're taking in more than 100 ounces, you really need to think about whether or not you need to add electrolytes to avoid the risk of dangerously low sodium levels. Be sure to talk with your physician if you have kidney issues regarding how much water you should take in daily. Now let's talk about sunlight. It's not just nice to give your skin a glow. Your skin produces up to 1,000 IUs of vitamin D per minute of sun exposure, but that needs to be with most of your skin exposed without sunscreen and long enough for your skin to get completely warm. And most of us are not really doing that on a regular basis. Those of us in the Midwest, we just don't have enough sunshine to be able to do that all year round. That's really, though, like having your very own vitamin factory working for free whenever you do step outside. But sunlight does more than just help your body produce vitamin D. The morning light helps set your body clock, which means better sleep at night and more energy during the day. Now, if you only take action on one recommendation from this video, move more. Did you know sitting more than 8 hours daily creates the same health risk as smoking? The good news is around 60 minutes of easy to moderate movement spread throughout your day can help counteract the risk of prolonged sitting. And you don't need extreme workouts. The basic activity recommendations are moderate activity for about 30 minutes every day or 60 minutes 3 to 5 times a week. Think about, when I say moderate, like a brisk walk, light cycling, dancing, and then add strength training twice a week. This type of moderate activity plan can support your heart, it can help reduce blood sugar, and it helps with weight loss. Regular physical activity can also reduce the risk of depression by up to 30%. In some studies, it's as effective as an antidepressant. So movement is so important. So these are the 5 essential areas that work really like a maintenance manual for your body. So start working on them today and watch how everything else in your health journey becomes exponentially easier. Ignore these 5 areas, and even the fanciest supplements and health hacks won't save you.